Sneakers can get very, very expensive. We all know this. There's probably a pair of shoes out there that you want and they're just way too expensive, or you can't justify paying their high retail price or resale price. Now, the great thing about sneakers is that they'll often go on sale as long as they're not a shoe that really has resale value once they release. So today's haul video consists of 4 pairs of sneakers I picked up recently. 3 of them I managed to get for some really steep discounts, 50% off or higher. One of them is a designer shoe, and then I got a pair of Yeezys for below retail, which I think might be the worst Yeezy to ever release, so we'll get to that in a second. And I'm also actually going to be giving away one of the sneakers from today's video. Now, I didn't just buy sneakers, I actually also bought some books, some sneaker books, so that might interest you if you guys like literature or want to learn more about shoes, because for me, sneakers isn't just for fashion. It's not just a means to my job to talk about shoes. I actually genuinely love sneakers, and I love the history. I like looking through the archives and finding out the origins of shoes, why they are the way they are, and learning about different designers as well. So if you are interested in sneaker books, I have 2 sneaker book pickups today as well. And actually, we are running a couple of other giveaways on the channel right now, so let me just quickly show you guys what shoes we are giving away, and you guys can check out the recent uploads for those giveaways. Adidas Campus in this like teal kind of light blue, green blue colorway. We're also giving away a pair of one of these shoes, Comme des Garçons, Comme des Garçons. CDG Play Converse Pro leathers. Check out my recent Manila vlog where I bought basically 7 pairs of these sneakers, and these are older and I got them for a really good price, way below retail. We're also giving away a pair of static Yeezy Boost 350 V2s, and to enter this giveaway, just check out the video link in the description down below. So I'll leave all the videos linked down below for the giveaways, but with that said, let's get to today's sneaker pickups. Alright, so for the very first sneaker pickup, this is a shoe that had an insanely high retail price, 320 Canadian dollars. That is a very, very expensive pair. This is a collaboration between the 3 Stripes and Neighborhood. They collabed on one of my favorite Adidas sneakers of all time, the Adidas Nike Runner, or the I-5923. The retail price was basically double and a half more than the regular retail price of an Nike Runner, and that was a huge, huge turnoff for me. So I waited, I think, almost a year for these sneakers to essentially go on sale, and here they are, the Adidas and Nike Runner. These have a really rich beige and olive tan color scheme to them. It has that full-length Boost midsole. We got the I-5923 branding in gold foil on the side, and the leather quality is also really nice around the toe box too. A really premium sneaker, probably the most premium Adidas and Nike Runner or I-5923 that you can buy. Now, retail price was $320 Canadian, and I paid $109 Canadian. This pair has been sitting in my room for the last couple of weeks now, almost a month I want to say, and they're a pair of Adidas Yeezys. So let me take these Yeezys out of the box. Now, they're the Yeezy 500. The 500, not my favorite model. Most of you guys, it's probably not your favorite model either. I love the 350s a lot more in comparison to these, and I bought these with the intention to review them, but my ass has just been so busy not making review videos that it's just completely slipped my mind, and now I don't know if I even should make the review on these sneakers anymore. I'm gonna be selling these. These are a size 10.5, so they're not even my size. I ended up going half a size up, but yeah, these have got to go. So let me pull out the shoes. You guys can try and guess the colorway in your heads right now, but here's the tissue. Voila, here we have it. This is the Salt colorway of the Yeezy 500 shoes. I'm not a huge fan of this particular model. Adidas actually sent over to me a while ago. They sent over these right here. Thank you, Adidas. They sent over the black pair. This is not something I'd typically buy for myself. It's really bold, really different. Not bold in terms of like colorway, but in terms of just its aesthetic. It looks really grotesque. It looks like an alien sneaker. So if you guys want early access to all the sneakers I'm selling, of course you can become a channel member. That's one of the perks. But I'll have a bunch of sneakers for sale the first week of February. So these are the Yeezy pickup for today, the Salts. The next pair of sneakers I actually purchased for about 66% off, and then I got an extra 15% off. So pretty good savings, I gotta say. Retail price was $160 and I paid $55. Yes, 55. Feeling good about that. That is 41 US dollars. And these are actually the sneakers we will be giving away in this video. So if this video hits 1,000 likes within the first week of it being up, I will pick a person from the comment section down below who comments what their favorite sneaker is from this video and include their Instagram name. I'll pick them and I'll, give the shoes to them. So these right here are a pair of Pumas. Obviously, you guys can tell with this box. Let me pop open the lid, and these are size 10.5, so they're not my actual size, they're a bit bigger. They're a pair of Puma Thunder Spectras I was not too crazy about when they originally released. This particular colorway doesn't really have my interest, but at the price I was able to pick it up for, I was like, yo, how do I say no to that? That's a really good price. I'm sure somebody in the Sneaker Talk family is going to want to buy these, and it says 10.5, really bulky, really big, gray mesh upper. We got the black Puma slide logo right there. We have the very thick midsole with the gray speckling. Here's a look at the bootay with the Puma branding on the back. You got hits of red as well right here on the tongue. We got the Puma logo right here in white with the red tongue. We got the hit of red to complement it as well. One of you guys will get to enjoy these shoes. Again, smash that thumbs up button down below when this video hits 1,000 likes. If it does before a week is over, then we'll give away these shoes. If not, I'll just sell them on the website. So yeah, size 10.5, and hit that poll up top if you guys think these are fire or if they're trash. And let's get on to the next sneaker pickup. Actually, let's get over to the books because I haven't showed you guys the books yet. Two books right here, and the first one is Hiroshi Fujiwara Fragment. This one is by a very famous publisher. They do a lot of streetwear and fashion related books and sneaker related books. So Rizzoli, if you're looking for any books in the fashion industry, Rizzoli is a very popular publisher. So this book is all about Hiroshi Fujiwara, the mastermind behind Fragment. And if you're a fan of Fragment, I'm sure you're going to appreciate this book a lot as well. So I'm a fan of Fragment. I like a lot of the collaborations that they do with Nike, and I've even seen the cool black Pikachu that they did, but I honestly really don't know anything about the history or, just stuff about Fragment, the brand. This book is really detailed. There's a ton of really high quality photos in here, and it's basically like a museum, a gallery. It's going to showcase you guys all of the different, collaborations and pieces he's done in the past. And yeah, I'm looking forward to reading this book. There's just so much history in here. And the really cool thing about books like this is that you're able to learn about shoes you never would have otherwise known about, and then you can go on like eBay and hunt them down for like pretty good prices because they're going to be relatively unknown sneakers. So excited to read this, Hiroshi Fujiwara Fragment. Let me know if you guys like Fragment the brand and if you actually know anything about the brand at all, because I'd love to get some more intel. And that book on Fragment cost me about 55 Canadian dollars. I gotta say, I think it's a pretty fair price in my opinion. So let's get to the next sneaker book, and then we'll get on to the last pair of shoes. Now this next sneaker book is like the Bible for sneakerheads. I highly recommend you guys check it out or look into it if you can. It is called The Ultimate Sneaker Book by Sneaker Freaker, and it's ridiculously heavy. Like my gym membership just ended a week ago, and I probably should renew it as soon as I can, but this book is like it is heavy. It's like all of my college textbooks put into one book. That's how heavy it is. And just look at that thickness. Thick. And there's a lot of color in here too. Here's a bunch of the stuff that the book covers. And Sneaker Freaker actually has a, I think, monthly magazine that they put out, which I actually have an issue of when I went to Boston. And I bought this magazine here at a store called Bodega. Very popular magazine. And they have a freaking Bible now too. So, The Ultimate Sneaker Book. This will be fun. I feel like I can get a lot of really good video ideas just from reading these books, and then I can just tell you guys about different sneakers or come up with different concepts off of shoes I've been learning about in here. So I'm not in school anymore, but I think this is the closest thing I have to a textbook that I'm actually going to read. Take a look at this too. It has like a bunch of covers from previous issues of Sneaker Freaker magazine. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, pretty cool. And yeah, this book was more expensive, and if you know anybody who is a sneakerhead, I think these books in particular will make really good presents. So if you know you're stumped on what to get them, check out Sneaker Freaker magazines and these kind of books. So this Sneaker Freaker magazine or Sneaker Freaker book cost me 77 Canadian dollars, a bit up there, but it is cheaper than pretty much every college or university textbook. So let's consider this a W. And now we can get to the final sneaker pickup. It is a designer shoe that I have been loving for the last couple of months. I saw these, I think, for the first time in Winnipeg when I went to Livestock. I was hanging out with Tom, and funny enough, I bought this at the Toronto Livestock, and the first time I saw them was at Winnipeg Livestock. And these shoes retailed for a price of 520 Canadian dollars. These are 520 Canadian dollar sneakers that I got for 313. So that is a straight steal. That's $236 US. So ridiculously nice. It is another Y3 shoe. Absolutely been loving Y3 lately, especially since I was able to pick up another pair of Y3s on sale. This here is a new Y3 shoe, and I tried them on the other day because I was a bit worried because these shoes are not my regular size. Y3s typically fit big, so you have to go half a size down or a full size down. They did not have the half size down that I would probably have got, but they had a full size down. I took the risk and it paid off. This is the Y3 Kaiwa. This is the pronunciation. Here's a look at the label. The Y3 Kaiwa. Retail price right there as well, $520. And let's pop open this lid. Ooh, we got some shoelaces. These always come with like cool little pamphlets, shoelaces, extra stuff. We got the Y3 dust bags as well. Here are the pair. Here's the pair. Oh my. Alright, so I know some of you guys are probably gonna think these are horrendous, but in my honest opinion, I've always wanted to look like a freaking red ninja. These shoes are freaking cool. Super cool. These are like alien ninja sneakers. Like if there was shinobis out there in Pluto, or I guess Pluto's not a planet, if there was like ninjas out there in Saturn or Venus, this is a sneaker I essentially think they'd be wearing because it looks so ridiculous and futuristic and just so cool. So this is the red colorway, There's like 3 different shades of red on the shoe, which I really appreciate. The quality is really nice. The suede is really plush and rich. We have a lot of extra details when it comes to things like the stitching on the shoe as well. And overall, just a really awesome shoe. Now, I was a bit skeptical about getting another pair of red Y3 sneakers, but I was like, yo, they're on sale. I've been wanting them for a minute. Let's pull the trigger. So, Y3 Casas I bought on Grailed, and then this is the new Y3 Kaiwas I recently picked up. So, which sneaker do you guys like more? The Y3 Casa or the Y3 Kaiwa? So, to enter today's giveaway, it is going to be for the Puma Thunder Spectra. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, hit that red button down below, turn on post notifications by hitting that bell, and then commenting your favorite sneaker in today's sneaker haul. With that said, hope you guys have an amazing day. Binge watch the other recent videos I uploaded. A lot of sneaker giveaways are happening on the channel. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Catch you guys in the next video, and I should probably get to reading those books or filming videos. One of the two. Peace out.